What if the most powerful tool for real lasting change has been quietly living inside you all along? Not a device, not a drug, not even willpower, just you, your mind, and a doorway to the deepest part of yourself that you may have never really truly explored. Today, I'm going to show you how hypnotherapy actually works, not as a trick, not as something mysterious, but as a proven way to finally reach the core of what's holding you back and to unlock the clarity, calm, and transformation you've been searching for. So what does hypnotherapy look like? How does it feel? And why do so many people say it's the one thing that finally helped them change, even after years of trying everything else? Let's start with something most people don't realize. Talk therapy and hypnotherapy aren't the same. Talk therapy is powerful for understanding your patterns, your triggers, and your story, but it's also an experience of one ego talking to another ego. And the ego, your conscious thinking mind, is amazing at protecting you, spinning stories, and sometimes hiding the real root of the issue. That's why hypnotherapy is different. In hypnotherapy, we go beyond the surface, bypassing the ego entirely and working directly with your powerful subconscious mind. And your subconscious? That's where everything is stored. Every experience, every feeling, every belief, whether you remember it or not, gets recorded there. The subconscious is like a vast, living archive running the show about 95% of the time. Here's the secret. Real change happens when you shift things in the subconscious, not just the conscious mind. And hypnotherapy is the most direct, effective way to do that. Now, let's talk about the actual experience. Hypnotherapy isn't about losing control or being put to sleep. It's about entering a state of focused, relaxed awareness, what science calls the Theta Brainwave state. You're not unconscious, you're deeply present, open, and receptive. Chances are you've already experienced a trance state without realizing it. Think about those moments when you're driving on autopilot, arriving at your destination without remembering the last few minutes. That's called freeway hypnosis, or when you get lost in a book, a movie, or simply drift off into daydreams. These are all natural trance states. In a hypnotherapy session, we use these natural abilities on purpose. After a few minutes talking about your goals, what you want to heal or change, I'll guide you into that relaxed, inward-focused state. It's gentle, it's safe, and you're always in control. What's happening under the surface? In this state, your brain quiets down. The chatter of the conscious mind and the subconscious finally gets a chance to speak. This is why people often remember long forgotten memories, feel old emotions rise up, or suddenly see the real root cause of a pattern that's been holding them back for years. This is where the real healing begins. Let's talk about what actually changes. First, clarity. Sometimes just seeing or remembering the original moment where a fear, habit, or belief took root is enough to create a profound shift. The mind loves clarity. Then rewiring. Many of our behaviors and emotional patterns were learned when we were young, watching parents or caregivers. They're wired deep in the subconscious, and they stick around, running automatically, even if they no longer serve us. In hypnotherapy, you can rewrite these patterns, creating new responses that support your well-being. And finally, reframing. This is especially powerful for those who've experienced trauma. The subconscious mind lives only in the present. When you revisit an old scene in trance, you can reimagine it, say what you couldn't say, do what you couldn't do, or even just walk away. This empowers the powerful subconscious mind, dissolving the need to stay in fight or flight, hypervigilance, or old roles. You might be wondering, what does this actually feel like? Most people describe it as deeply peaceful, like floating between waking and dreaming. You're aware, but everything feels softer, quieter, more open. You can open your eyes at any time, and you'll remember what happens. It's a gentle, empowering experience. If you're curious to try it for yourself, I've created a guided hypnosis meditation that's perfect for beginners. In it, you'll get to experience what a trance state feels like and gently guide yourself toward the Theta brainwave state, the space where healing, creativity, and deep calm live. You'll learn to let go, surrender, and simply allow your mind and body to rest. Remember, hypnotherapy isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about unlocking your true potential. It's about stepping into a new chapter, free from old stories, patterns, and limitations that were never truly yours to begin with. So, if you tried everything else and still feel stuck, or if you're just curious about what's possible, I invite you to explore hypnotherapy. Try the guided meditation and see what your powerful subconscious mind can do when you finally get past the gatekeeper of the ego and allow your subconscious to speak. You've had the keys to change all along. Hypnotherapy is just the door. Are you ready to step through?